Ano ka? Ano oras ka gising? Di ka malilate. Hello, hello. Good evening, Antu. Hello, good evening, Mrs.
Hello,
Lisa.
đó đó, có tiếng đó chứ không có không?
Good evening, Antu. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Good evening, Antu.
Hello.
Wow. How are you today, Antu? Happy today? Happy?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow, that's good to know. Are you ready to continue our lesson 2 for today? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's continue our lesson, which is all about plural. So again, let's say plural.
Bửu rồi.
Okay, very good. Let's read this one. One pair. Mhm.
One
Very good. Next is three pairs.
three nè.
Okay, good job. Next is, so if we have one desk, we will say desk. Desk.
Deck.
Okay, very good. But if we have two, so we will add S. So we will say desks. Desks.
That's that's
Yes, very good. Good job. So next, let's have here book.
book.
Okay. Next, if we have two books, so we will add letter S. So it will be books.
Book.
Okay, one more time. Let's say book, books.
Book. Book. Book.
Let's add letter S. Books, book, books.
Book. Book.
Okay, very good. Good job. So next, let's say pen.
Pen.
Very good. So if we have two pens, so it will be pens.
Pen.
Okay, very good. So let's have this example, Antu. So I have here this one. Look at this. This is, it's one pen.
Chưa có rồi cũng là chó.
What happened? Okay, so look at this, Antu. So let's say this is one pen. Okay, let's say this is one pen.
One pen.
Okay, next. These are two pens. Two pens. Okay, one more time. Let's say two.
Two chạm.
Okay, let's say this are two pens.
Two chi lên.
Okay, very good. So next. So let's say 1 month.
1 month.
2 months.
2 month.
Okay, very good. So when we have only one, so we will just have the original word. So we will not change anything. But if we have two, so we will add letter S. So it will be month, then months. Okay,
Month. Then month.
very good. Good job. So one more time, let's say months. Months.
Month.
Okay, wow, very good. So good job. So next, let's have the next word. Train.
Train.
Okay, this is a train.
X. X.
Next, these are trains.
Big or team.
Okay, very good. Next, this is a dog.
Big is a dog.
Okay, good job. Next, these are dogs.
Big a
Okay, very good. These, one more time, let's say these are dogs.
big a dog.
Okay, good job. So next, let's have this one. Let's read the one. If the word,
T.
okay, if the word ends with one of these sounds, so this one. So let's read this one. Sh, sh. Let's say sh, 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 ch. Next is s, which is double S.
S.
Then S sound,
It and enter.
X sound,
S sound.
and Z.
and T.
Okay, very good. So if a word ends with letter S, letter SH, CH, Z, X, and SS, so we will add ES. ES to make it plural. So one,
Wow.
okay, very good. So one example, we have the word bus. Bus. Let's say
But
bus. Okay, very good. So as we can see, bus ends with letter S. So therefore, if we make bus or if there are two bus, so we will add ES, which will be buses. Let's say buses.
the button
Okay, so one more time. Let's say it in a sentence. This is a bus.
is a button.
Very good. These are buses.
There are buttons.
Okay, good job. Okay, let's have one more example. Let's say box.
Box.
Okay, so as we can see, the word box ends with letter X. So if we make it plural, so it will sounds like boxes.
Box.
Let's say boxes.
It's a boxes.
Okay, very good. So let's say this is a box.
It's a park.
Very good. Next, these are boxes.
It's a boxes.
Very good. Good job. So that is how we add es to the letters that ends with these words. Okay, so remember that. So let's have more examples. So this one, let's read this one. One brush.
One for box.
Very good. So this is a brush.
It's a brush.
Very good. Next, two brushes.
You water.
Good job. These are brushes.
Cheese, butter.
Okay, one more time. Let's say it slowly. These are
Cheese of
brushes.
the water.
Okay, good job. So when we say, so let's have this word brush. So the word brush, it ends with letter SH. So we add ES at the end of it to make it plural. So it will become brush, brushes. Okay,
The what? The water.
very good. Let's say brushes.
The waters.
Okay, perfect. Next, let's have box.
Box.
Okay, what will be the plural for a
Or
box? We will
box.
add we will add es. So it will be
Cheese.
boxes.
Boxes.
Okay, very good. One more time. Box,
The
boxes.
boxes.
This is a box.
This is the box.
Very good. These are boxes.
Here is water.
Okay, one more time. These are
Uh,
these. Very good. Boxes.
these are pasta.
Okay, good job. So next, let's have this one. Glass.
Glass.
Next is glasses.
This is glass.
Okay, let's have a sentence. This is a glass.
This is glass.
These are glasses.
These are pasta.
Okay, very good. So that is how we add es. So next, let's have this word, dish. Dishes.
Listen.
Very good. This is a dish.
This is a dish.
Next is, these are dishes.
These are kitchen.
Okay, one more time. Let's say dishes.
Kitchen.
Dishes. Dishes.
Kitchen.
Okay, good job. One more time. These are dishes.
These are kitchen.
Okay, good job. So next, let's have the next word. Church.
Church.
Very good. Churches.
Church.
Good job. So let's have this in a sentence. This is a church. This is a church.
Is a church.
Very good. These are churches.
Is a church.
Okay, one more time. Let's say these
These
are
are
churches.
churches.
Okay, good job. Good job. Next, so we have here a tricky noun. So when we say tricky nouns, so these are the nouns that are the same in singular and plural form. So let's have some examples here. So like this one, sheep.
Sheep.
Okay, very good. So there is no changes in the word if we make it plural. So it will still be sheep. Okay, sheep, sheep.
Sheep.
Okay, next is fish.
Sheep.
Fish. One more time. Let's say fish.
Sheep.
Fish.
Sheep.
Okay. So let's say this is a fish.
It is a fish.
Good job. There are fish.
There are fish.
Or those are fish.
There are fish.
Okay, one more time. Let's say those
Those
are
are
fish.
those are fish.
Okay, very good. Very good, Antu. So next, let's read the next word. Deer.
Deer.
So it has no changes, so it will still be deer. So let's see.
Yeah.
Deer. Very good. This is a,
What
okay, very good. Let's say this is a deer. Those are deer.
Those are teacher.
A teacher. Let's say deer.
Deer.
Okay, very good. Good job. Next, aircraft.
Eagle.
Aircraft.
Eagle.
Very good. So let's say this is an aircraft.
It is correct.
Okay, one more time. Let's say it slowly. This is
It is
an aircraft.
an aircraft. Yes, aircraft.
Very good. Let's say those are aircraft.
Art and can card.
Okay, one more time. Let's say those. Those. Those are
No,
aircraft.
aircraft.
Okay, very good. Good job. So next, let's say species. Species.
A piece.
Okay, one more time. Let's say species.
Piece.
Spe
Piece.
let's say species.
Oh no.
It's okay. Let's practice the word. Let's
Oh
say
no.
species.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh
Oh
no.
no, oh no. Okay, let's practice the word. Can you say the word? Spe, species. Species. Okay, so practice that word, okay, Antu? So you will be able to practice yourself. Okay, so let's answer this activity, Antu. So let's look at this animal. Do you still remember what animal is this? What animal is this?
Ba,
Là con vật gì?
thầy Phân mang báo cho em.
What animal?
2 cây.
It's a sheep.
Sheep.
Okay, so when we have two sheep, so there will be no changes. So we will just say two sheep.
You see.
Okay, very good. So next, let's go to number 3. Let's go to number 3 and 2. Do you still, yes, do you still remember what animal is this?
Đây là con vật gì?
Thật là chỉ câu.
What
Chỉ
animal?
chỉ có chỉ điều bây giờ.
What animal? In English, teacher cannot understand you. Say it in English. It's a mouse.
Mouse.
Very good.
Mouse.
Good job. Let's say one mouse.
One
Okay, very
mouse.
good. So next, let's have this one. How many mouse can you see in this picture? How many mouse? This one.
It can be my eater.
Bạn có thể nhìn thấy bao nhiêu con chuột trong bức tranh này?
This one. How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. Very
Six.
good. They are 6. Good job. So when we have 6, so we will say 6 mice. There are 6 mice. Okay, let's say 6.
Phân 3 cây, 2 cây cho em.
Okay, let's say 6 mice.
Phân 2 cây cho em.
Let's say 6 mice.
Mice.
Very good. Next. How about this one, Anju?
Nhanh lên.
How about this one? How about this one?
No, oh no.
Oh no, what animal is this?
Còn con
Oh
này thì
no,
sao?
oh no, oh
Đây là
no,
con vật
oh
gì
no,
vậy?
oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no,
It's
oh no,
a
oh no, oh no, oh no.
what
Oh
animal?
no, oh
It's
no, oh
a
no, oh no, oh
shh,
no.
shh. What animal? It's a duck. How many duck? How many duck can you see?
Nó chiếc khờ đi đó ở tu chi tút tút tút.
How many duck can you see in the picture?
Bạn có thể nhìn thấy bao nhiêu con vịt trong bức tranh này?
One, 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 one.
Very good. One what? One duck.
One. Mình đi tập đi.
One duck.
One. Mình. One.
Ming.
One.
Let's say one duck.
One.
One duck.
One.
Listen to teacher. You're not listening to teacher. One duck.
One. Duck.
Yes, very good. So these are duck. How about in this picture? How many ducks are there?
Còn trong bức ảnh này thì sao? Có bao nhiêu con vịt?
Three only? Three or four? Three or
Oh
four?
no!
Oh no. Let's count. One,
Oh
two,
no! Oh no!
three,
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
four. How many ducks? Four. Four ducks. Let's say four ducks.
Hold on.
Okay, good job. Next, this is a fish.
This is a fish.
Very good. Next. Okay, next, let's say these are fish. These are fish.
Fish.
Okay, very good. So good
Yeah.
job. Good job in this activity, Antu. So next, let's have this one. So for this one, let's yes, we are close to finishing. Let's just finish this one. Let's say a mosquito. Let's read a mosquito. A mosquito. A mosquito. A panda. Very good. Next, this is a
It's a dodo.
dodo. This is a tortoise.
Tortoise.
Tortoise. Very good. Good job.
Tortoise.
Next, this is a monkey.
It's a monkey.
Very good. Next is this is a hippo. This is a hippo. This, let's read. This is
Xong cái đó, hùng muối đó.
okay, so now, so I think it's the end of our lesson and too because it's already 7:30. So thank you so much for your time today. And to see you again soon. Goodbye.
Teacher.
Goodbye. Thank you so much.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, Dangkwa. It's nice to see you again. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Wow, that's good to know that you are happy. And did you already eat? Did you already eat dinner? Did you already eat?
Yes.
Wow, that's good to know. And are you ready to continue our lesson for today? So I think we are close to finishing this lesson. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Do you still remember what is the name of the dog in our story last time?
It's a goose.
Very good. His name is Goose. Now, let's have this question. Do you want to have a dog like Goose? Yes or no?
Bạn có muốn nuôi một chú chó như Gus không?
No.
No. Why? Why don't you want to have a dog like Goose?
Uh,
Sao bạn lại
uh,
không muốn nuôi một con chó như Gus?
Because
dogs is dog is uh
dog,
dogs dog
dog,
is
dog-
is big.
dogs. Dogs are big. Dogs
It
are big.
eats big
Uh,
eats
dogs. Dogs are
is
big
is
and
big and is
eats or bites people. Is that correct?
yes
Oh, okay. So you don't want dogs?
because
Chó
dog
to và hay cắn người.
Is that correct? Dogs are big and bites people?
yes
Oh, okay. Are you scared of dogs?
mm, dogs no because dog are big and beetles people
Okay, one more time. Let's say this one. Bites. Let's say bites. Okay, very good. So for this one, are you scared of dogs?
Bạn có sợ chó không?
Yes or no?
no
No, but you don't like dogs? You don't like dogs?
is
You don't like dogs?
Bạn
baby
không thích chó à?
No?
yes yes
Oh, yeah.
because dog is goose
Because is? Dog is?
dog is cute
Dog is cute?
yes
So you like dogs. You like dogs? Yes or no?
Bạn thích chó?
yes
Oh, okay. So you like dogs. Okay. So good job. Next. Let's have the next question. How do you have let's have this question. Do you have a dog, Dankwa? Do you have a dog? Yes or no?
Anh có nuôi chó không? Đặng Khoa.
no
No. Okay. But if ever that you have a dog like Goose, how do you feel? How would you feel
you
when your dog pick up your things? Will you get angry?
Nếu bạn từng nuôi một con chó như Gus, bạn sẽ cảm thấy thế nào khi chó của bạn nhặt đồ của bạn lên? Bạn
sick
có tức giận không?
you sick I'm no happy
You will not be happy.
you will not be happy
I will
I,
not.
I feel I feel I feel terrible
Yes, very good. Wow, that's a good word. I will feel terrible. So good job. Very good. So good job, Dankwa, for answering this question. So now let's go to our next page. Okay, let's learn about this two word here. Can you read this one?
draw a tractor
Very good. One more time. Let's say character.
character
Okay, very good. Next, this one is setting.
setting
Okay, so when we say character, Dankwa, so can you read this one?
a a, a tractor is the is grow is who is into storm
Okay, it.
is the people or animal is the
Okay, okay, very good. So when we say character, Dankwa, it is the who. in the story? It is the people or animals in the story.
Nhân vật là người xuất hiện trong câu chuyện. Đó có thể là người hoặc động vật trong câu chuyện.
Okay, so Dangkwa, in this story that we have, who is the character in this story?
Mm,
Who is the character?
Nhân vật chính trong câu chuyện này là ai?
Who is the
Dog.
character? The
Dog.
dog. What is the name of the dog?
Goose.
Very good. So, Goose, the dog, is
Is the statue.
of the
It goes to dogs into the rattle of the story.
Okay, very good. So good job. So Goose is the animal which is in the story. So he is the main character. So next, let's have setting. So when we say setting, so can you read what setting is? This one.
The place where the story happened.
Okay, very good. So when we say setting, it is the place where the story happens. For example, in the house, outside the house, in the bedroom. So that is the setting. So this one.
Nơi câu chuyện diễn ra.
Okay. So in the story Dangkwa, what is the setting?
Trong truyện Đặng Khoa, bối cảnh diễn ra ở đâu?
What is the setting? So let's
House.
House. Very good. House. What is this? House.
House.
What do we call that room in the house?
Bedroom.
Bedroom. Very good. That is one setting. How about this one? What do we call this place in the house?
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Very good. That is also one of the example of the setting. How about this? Is this inside or outside the house?
This is not a house.
Very good. It's not in the house. So that is why we will call it outside. Outside the house.
House.
Okay, very good. So those are the setting of the story. So let's write here. So can you read this one? The setting.
The setting of the story are bedroom. House bedroom. Kitchen. As outside the house.
Okay, very good. So that are the places that we saw in the story of Goose, which is titled Drop It. So very good. So next, let's move on to our next page. Okay, so let's have this activity. So let's read first this word. So can you read this word?
Rest.
Next.
Loves. Peace. Skips. Best. Cast. Dose. Fish. The wrist.
Okay, one more time. Let's say this one. Drip.
The wrist.
Okay, next is love.
The set.
Okay.
Love.
Okay, very good. So we have these words, and these words are example of the words that are rhyming words. Rhyming words. So when we say rhyming words, can you read rhyming words?
Is rhyming words are words that sound the same as the ends.
Okay, very good. So when we say rhyming words, so these are the words that sounds the same at the end. This one.
Từ vần là những từ có âm cuối giống nhau.
Okay, so for example, we have here tree. We have here bee. Can you read this one?
Tree.
Tree.
B.
Okay. Does tree and bee sounds like? Yes or no?
Không,
No.
nghe có giống nhau không? Có hay
No.
không?
No.
Are you sure? No?
Yes.
Tree.
Yes.
Bee. Yes, very good. So they do sounds like at the end, especially they have the same letters at the end of the words, which is letter or 2E. So as you listen to how they are read, tree and bee. So they sound the same. Okay. So now let's try to answer some words here. So can you this one, the first word. Can you read again this word, Angkwa?
The reef.
This one.
Has. And the
Hat. What is the word that rhymes with hat?
has.
What is the word that rhymes with hat?
Từ nào vần với từ hết?
Has.
Okay, very good. This one.
Has.
Very good. Hat and cat. Very good because they have the same words at the end, which is letter A and letter T. How about this one?
Love.
This one.
Rest.
Red. Okay. What is the rhyme or what is the word that rhymes with red?
Rest is best.
Very good. Red and bed. Good job. They have same letter words, ed at the end. So next, how about this one?
Love.
Love. What is the word that rhymes with love?
Dove.
Dove. Very good. Love and dove. Next, how about this?
Uh, Peace. And
Beat. Beat and?
feet.
Okay, good job. Wow. Very good. Next, this one.
Skip is
Skip and? Look at the words that ends in skip, I and P. So what is the word that has the same word that ends with letter I and P? Skip and
keep
find the word.
every
Skip, drip. Very good. So drip. Very good. So skip and drip. So that is the word that has the same ending sound, which is rhyming words. So very good. So next, how about this one?
bóng, run, and fans.
Do they rhyme or do they sound like or do they have the same sound? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, very good because they have the same letters in the end, which is letter U and letter N. So run and fun. So very good. So next. Okay, so let's have a vocabulary here. So can you read this one, Dankwa? What? What is a noun? Okay. So when we say noun, it is
Tắt đi. Đọc bên
a
mình.
noun.
Now is a name works.
Very good. It tells
is now used to name a person, place, animal, or thing.
Okay, very good. So when we say noun, it is a name word. It tells us the name of a person, place, or animal. So when we say noun, for example, this one, book, this is a noun. Example, your name, Dangkwa. This is a noun because it is your name. So that is a noun. Example is Vietnam. This is also a noun because it is a name of a country or name of your country. So that are example of noun. So that is a noun. When we say
Danh từ
noun,
là từ chỉ tên gọi. Nó cho chúng ta biết tên của một người, một địa điểm, một con vật hoặc một đồ vật.
okay, so that is a noun, okay? So for example, the name of your sister, which is Chutney. So that is also a noun, okay? So next, let's have this. Can you read the examples of noun?
As Inter, Peace, Everest.
Very good. So that are examples of noun. Okay. So next. So when we say, can you read this one? A noun.
Is operation collecting of IG is the noun is the name of the person. Or a spacefish place is careless. A developer's nouns a person's noun is a way can be changes.
Okay, very good. So one more time, let's read this word, this one. Let's say idea.
Idea.
Very good. Good job. Next is cold.
Gold.
Next is capitalize. Okay, very good. So when we say again noun, it is a name of person, place, or thing. Okay, so when we say if the noun is the name of the person or a specific place, it is called a proper noun. Like this.
Danh từ riêng là từ chỉ tên riêng mang tính đặc biệt. Nó cho chúng ta biết chính xác tên của một người, một địa điểm hoặc một vật. Chúng ta luôn viết danh từ riêng bằng chữ in hoa ở đầu.
Okay, for example, so this one. So for example, teacher's name, Iris. So this is a proper example of proper noun because it starts with what letter? So, letter?
It's where you from.
Yes, very good. What letter does my name start? What letter does my name starts?
Teacher, where you from?
What?
Where are you from?
Where are you from? I'm from Philippines.
Yes.
Yes, so Philippines is one of the example of a proper noun. Okay, because it starts with what letter? What letter is this?
P.
P. Is it big letter P or small letter P?
P letter.
Okay, very good. So it starts with big letter. So those those nouns that starts with big letter, so we call it proper noun. Like also this one, your country, Vietnam. What letter does Vietnam starts? What letter?
Big letter.
Big letter? What letter? Big letter?
V.
V. Very good. So this is a proper noun. So good job. So next, okay. So let's have this activity. So let's have this activity. So Can you give an example? Can you give an example of a noun which is a name of person?
Bạn có thể cho một ví dụ về danh từ là tên riêng của người không?
Can you give example of a noun which is a person?
Ronaldo.
What what name of a person?
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo?
Yes.
Oh yes, very good. This is a famous soccer player, right? Ronaldo.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Good job. So Ronaldo is an example of noun, which is a name of a famous soccer player. How about a place? Can you give an example of a noun, which is a place or a name of place?
Is
What what are the name of the places that you know?
bed
What place?
bed bedroom.
Bedroom. Yes, very good. Bedroom is a noun, which is a name of a place. Very good. Good job. So next, how about for a thing? Thing.
This
What are, can
windy.
you,
Windy.
windy?
Yes.
Okay, windy. This one? Windy.
Yes.
Are you sure this is a noun? No, windy is not a noun. So we call it as
Summer.
adjective. Adjective. So when we say, yes, so when we say adjective, so it is the one who describes a noun. For example, it is windy in Vietnam. So the noun here is, what is the noun here, Dangwa? What is the
Is
noun?
windy. Is Vietnam.
Very good. Can you tell teacher where is the noun in this sentence? Is the noun Vietnam or windy?
Windy.
Are you sure? Windy is windy is a noun?
Vietnam.
Yes, very good. So Vietnam here is the noun. And windy is adjective. It describes Vietnam. Okay? Okay, so one example of name of a thing is this one. What is this?
Adjectives.
This one?
Pen.
It's a pen. Very good. So one example of a thing is a pen. Okay, so good job. Very good. So next. Okay, so for this one, let's read a story, Danko, and let's answer a question after reading the story. Let's first read the title. My,
Best dog.
okay, very good. Can you read this one?
I have a pet dog. My dog is little and brown. My dog lives in his dog's house. He likes to play with his ball.
Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at this animal, Dankwa. What animal is this?
Dog.
It's a,
Dog.
okay, very good. So let's try to answer in a complete sentence. It's a dog.
It's a dog.
Okay, very good. So now, so let's look at this picture based on the story that you read. So which is the correct picture that describes the story? Is it this picture, or this picture?
Dog. Dogs is
What picture? So let's read again this one. My dog is little and
brown.
brown. And my dog sleeps
Is in his dog's house.
a dog house. One more time. Let's say dog house.
Dog's house.
Okay. So looking at these three pictures, where is the dog house? Picture 1, picture 2, or picture 3? Dog house. Dog house is the house of the dog.
Picture
Pic-
3.
Picture, very good. Picture 3. And next, let's read this one.
My dogs.
This one.
He likes to play with his ball.
Okay, very good. So where is the ball? Is it in picture 1, picture 2, or picture 3?
Picture
Where is the ball? It's
uh
in picture.
is orange.
Yes, is it orange or red? It's
Red.
red. Okay, where is the ball? Is it in picture 1, picture 2, or picture 3?
Green.
Okay, very good. So what is the answer in this one? Picture 1, picture 2, or picture 3?
Picture 3.
Very good. So the answer here is picture 3. Next, this one. Can you read this one and let's answer? Number 2.
Number 2 is his ball.
Very good. Answer here is his ball. Very good. Number 3. What color is the dog?
Brown.
Very good. Its color brown. And where does the dog sleep?
Dogs live
The dog
live in the bedroom.
bedroom? Are
It's
you
a
sure?
it's a kitchen.
No, in this story.
And my dog lives in his dog's house.
Very good. Good job. So in his dog house. So very good. Good job. Okay, so for this one, so I think this will be the end of our lesson, Dangkwa. So very good. So I think you had finished our lesson 10. So for the next class, which is I think on Monday, so we will have a new lesson. So good job. Good job, Dangkwa, for finishing lesson number 10. And for this one, you just needed to practice some noun words or name of the things, places, or person. Okay? So thank you so much, Dankwa, for your time today. And see you again soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you
Good-
again.
Goodbye. You did a great job today.